What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can reinvest your dividends in Trading 212. So let's get started. Also, if you guys just recently opened your Trading 212 account, you can use my promo code from the description below to get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's go ahead and continue. Now once you open your Trading 212 app, you will be on your homepage right here. To reinvest your dividends, you would need to go to your portfolio section right here and select your investment pie. Once you're here, just scroll down a bit until you can see the dividend section. So as you can see, currently I have my auto invest dividends off, but to enable it you can just click on dividends and then tick the auto invest on. And from now on, each dividend payment that I receive will be auto invested into this investment pie. And that's guys how you can reinvest your dividend payments on Trading 212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.